Best BDO digital banking hacks and tips you should know in 2026. First, open your BDO online app on your phone and log into your account. Once you are inside the app, you will see the main menu at the bottom with options like accounts, send money, pay, QR, and more. These tools can help you manage your money faster and easier. First hack, use the send money option for quick transfers. Tap send money, then choose own account, any BDO account, or other banks and wallets. This is useful if you want to transfer funds without visiting a branch. Second hack, use the pay section for bills and mobile load. Tap pay, then choose pay bills or buy load. For example, you can pay your electric bill using account number or buy load for mobile number. Another example is paying water bills using reference number or loading. Third hack, use the QR option for faster transactions. Tap QR, then choose send money or request money. This helps you pay or receive money by scanning a QR code instead of typing details manually. Fourth hack, tap more to access extra services like manage accounts, manage cards, update profile, and service requests. This section is very helpful when you need to update your information or check card settings. Also, always check your balance regularly in account section so you can track your spending and avoid low balance surprises.